Let's make some lamb chops in the air fryer. These were so soft and so juicy, they just came right off the bone. I've got about 12 lamb chops here. I'm gonna add lemon juice, then I'm gonna add yogurt, salt, red pepper flakes, or you can use red chili powder, black pepper powder, sumac. This is optional. If you don't have sumac, just it's fine with lemon juice as well. Oregano, suri methi, coriander powder, masala, cumin powder, and paprika. Little bit of olive oil, garlic, chopped coriander. Mix everything. Coat the lamb chops very well, and you can marinate them overnight in the fridge. So the lamb chops are covered in the marinade, and I'm gonna marinate them in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now take your air fryer basket, place your lamb chops in it. I have lined my air fryer basket because I want all the juices to be soaked back inside the meat, and I don't want the lamb chops to get dry, but do whatever suits you. Now I'm gonna put these in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, and I will see how it goes. It's been 20 minutes and this is how the lamb chops look. So I'm gonna flip these. Now I'm gonna put these back in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 more minutes. These are done.